Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO Man 328 tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the 80's aesthetic effect in Adobe Premiere Elements 15. So first you're going to want to import your video clip. Unless you already have your video clip in a project file, then of course you're going to want to go find it and click on it. Next we're going to go over to our applied effects and video effects. We're going to click on our video effects. And in the effects search bar, we're going to type in tiNT. We're going to want to apply that to our video clip. Now, for the matte black, we're going to want to make that a kind of pink magenta color. Kind of like this. Of course, I'll leave the hexadecimal codes in the description, and also you can see them here in the video. And we're going to map white to a dark purple kind of lavender color. Kind of like that. We're going to want to turn down our tiNT, amount to tiNT. Light, kind of light like that. I did around 35%. Next up, we're going to go back into our effects panel, and we're going to go look for 𝐜𝐵𝗵𝗹. We're going to apply that to our video clip. Okay, so for 𝐜𝐵𝗹, the height is going to be 15. The width is going to be 500. And the direction is going to be 90. Wave speed is going to be 0.4. And everything else default is fine. Next up, we're going to add the noise effect. This is going to create a kind of blurry TV VHS blurry effect. And we're going to want to make the amount about 18.5. Just kind of lightly blurs out the clip. Although we're not trying to distort it, so depending on your clip you may have to change it, increase or decrease it. Next up, we're going to add a crop. This crop is going to make it look like a 4:3 ratio, kind of like a old box television. We're going to make the left crop 14.2. The top crop is going to be 1.3. The right crop is going to be 14.2. And the bottom crop is going to be 1.2. Now, if this crop on the top and bottom is going to crop out the 𝐜𝐵𝗹, which kind of blurs into the frame, and although that does create a different effect, you may want to crop that out, and that also depends on whatever effect you're going for. But for me, I'm going to crop out the 𝐜𝐵𝗹. Now, another additional effect option that you have is the edge feather. Now, if you want to increase this just like 0.5, kind of adds a blurry feather to the edge of the crop. Of course, let's increase it a little bit more so you can see. See, now you can see our 𝐜𝐵𝗹 coming in a little bit here. Although you may like that effect, kind of adds a nice blur to the edge. Next up, we're going to go to our motion applied effect. We're just going to increase the scale, just so it kind of crops out. The 𝐜𝐵𝗹 and also the remaining black around the clip. Now, of course, if you want to keep your feather, you can always decrease it so that you keep your feather a little bit in. And there you go. You have our nice 4:3 ratio clip with the 80's aesthetic effect applied. A little bit of noise, 𝐜𝐵𝗹, a tiNT to make everything nice purple pink. And that's it. enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you want to see more of these, and as always, thanks for watching.